Hey guys, quick video how you're going to connect your MSI monitor to your PC or CPU. So it's super simple. You need to have the monitor, and either you're gonna VGA, DVI, HDMI, or DisplayPort cable, and it's super simple. You're gonna take, for example, the HDMI cable, then you're gonna look here for the PC HDMI, and when you're going to be here, right there, you are going to have the motherboard and also the graphics card, and you want to enter the HDMI or the display port to the graphics card on the bottom, and this is how it's going to work for you. So that's how it's done. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.